It is not new that Tesla is recognized today as an icon of the electric car industry, in part for the manufacture and innovation of its batteries. Its advanced cars are a reference for many companies that begin to manufacture electrified vehicles, looking at the design and, above all, at the units that use the zero-emission vehicles of the company led by Elon Musk. Towards this step, the American manufacturer has created a new battery for Tesla cars that has a useful life of 100 years. Tesla wants an extra long battery life currently. The distinguished Californian brand of Tesla is growing at dizzying rates and, at least in its most affordable models, intends to install only and exclusively lithium-ferrophosphate (LFP) type batteries, which are cheaper to produce, more durable, more ecological and easier to obtain. But, in this new step towards a movement that can be more innovative and environmentally aware, the American manufacturer has seen fit to manufacture a new type of battery with which the Tesla will do, because it has an extra long life, up to 100 years. However, them is now a new technology that today has been erected as the main supporter of an alternative mechanics to conventional internal combustion. What is it about? It is in the latter, where a scientific research team, led by Jeff Dan, has been working with Tesla for years on the development of a battery that they can provide with a useful life of 1.6 million kilometers before its chemistry enter a state of advanced degradation. We are talking about what is known as Tesla Advanced Battery Research, a division of the company that in recent years has produced a large number of publications and patents. This Tesla R&D department is located in Canada and collaborates closely with researchers from Dalhousie University. At the helm is Jeff Dan, one of the pioneers in lithium battery research, and, according to many, the person responsible for their commercial expansion thanks to his discoveries that allow them to extend their use cycles. This is what they have done with this new Tesla battery, which is the creation of a battery equipped with a nickel-based chemistry that would greatly exceed that of the lithium generation, also maintaining the energy density of the NC type shows higher efficiency, less capacity loss and higher energy density compared to LFP, lithium iron phosphate batteries. In this sense, it is projected that they could reach useful lifetimes of approximately a century at a temperature of 25 degrees centigrade, according to the research team. A greater accumulation of charge cycles has been achieved in the search for the battery of the future. With Tesla at the forefront, energy density is very important. Lower density means a larger battery is needed to travel a certain distance. This means that we have high-density batteries, which take up less space in the vehicle and allow longer journeys and distances to be made without recharging. The great discovery is having achieved NMC batteries that better support the accumulation of charge cycles than LFP. Until now, what was known is that their energy density is higher and that they can be charged faster. Now, also, that they are more long-lived with the aforementioned changes. However, the intention is none other than to do everything possible to get rid of lithium units that, despite their great technology, are not that, according to estimates, will run out in less than a decade.